In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to iMovie. So basically what you want to do is there's plenty of ways to download MP3s from Google or from YouTube, or there's many sites and many ways to go about and do that. So what you want to do is once you have your actual file that you want to put into your iMovie, I'm just going to put this little clip down here into the timeline, and you see it here. It just kind of plays. So what you're going to want to do to add music to something is basically click and drag. iMovie's really good with that. It's just very simple and really not much to it. So keep it easy, keep it simple for yourself. So I have a file here on my desktop. I'm just going to click and drag, and then you're going to see the plus sign here, and you just click and drag and let it go. And most of the files here, so what you want to do here is make sure you select the file, the audio file, and you click and drag. And then what that's going to do is just put this into the timeline. And then from this point, you can actually hit play. And then the music will play over the MP4 or movie file, whatever video file that you have. And it's really easy. You can always trim the file down. You can delete parts of it if you really want to. That's all up to you. I can drag that and delete it, and then that way you only have music over a certain part of your file, and it's really easy. So try the click and drag method. Very simple, very easy to do, and I hope you guys like and follow for more.